Why do drywall corners typically crack? It's simple. When attaching bare metal bead to a drywall corner, the fasteners used to hold it in place penetrate through the drywall and into the wood framing. Now if that wood framing shrinks, warps or swells, the fasteners pull and stress the bead with it, and that's when edge cracking occurs. On the other hand, sheetrock paper-faced metal corner bead is much more forgiving. It's completely attached just to the drywall. Since it's not attached to the framing, that minor movement of the structure simply has no impact on the bead. In this demo, I'll show you how it works and how to install it. Whether you're using the manual hand tool method or the faster hopper and roller installation, you start with a few simple tools. Tin snips, of course, a drywall taping knife, and a mud pen. And while you can do a good job installing bead with your hands, I like to use a roller. It's just faster. Now if you're a pro and have a lot of corners to install, you want to look at using a hopper because it makes the job just about effortless. I'll show you how in just a minute. First you want a premium quality USG ready-mix joint compound. Now I thin out the joint compound with just a little water. I prepare the mud as if I were going to use it for taping. Give it a good mix and we're ready to go. Like I said, most pros are going to go with the faster hopper method, but I'm going to start with the manual method because it gives you a good look at why sheetrock paper-faced metal bead works so well. So I'll fill the mud pan and get going. I've measured the corner and trimmed the bead to fit. It's important to leave a 1/4 to a 1/2 inch gap at the floor. Use all-purpose joint compound and completely cover the corner. Apply the bead. Now I use a roller to press the bead to the drywall. This ensures 100% adhesion to the entire corner. Then, I check that the bead is square to the corner. Now I could use my hands to press the bead to the corner and embed it with a knife, but a roller is easier and faster. In 20 minutes, you can't move it. In 24 hours, you couldn't kick it off. The natural properties of the joint compound make it shrink into the wall. That's it. Now that it's dry, I apply the finishing coats. One of the great things about sheetrock paper-faced metal beads is that, for most jobs, you only need 2 coats of joint compound for finishing. Finally, I'll feather out the joint compound from the nose of the trim. Once it's dry, it's ready for sanding. And you're done. If you've got a lot of corners to install, you're going to want to use a hopper because it makes installation really easy and really fast. First, adjust the hopper for the bead you're installing. Now fill the hopper with joint compound. I usually put it right on top of the bucket to catch the drips. Run the paper-faced metal bead through the hopper for an even, consistent coat of joint compound, top to bottom. Apply the bead to the corner. Use the roller to press the bead into position and make sure it's squared up. Remove any excess joint compound and let it dry. Apply the finishing coats. You're ready to sand and prime. If you look closely at all sheetrock paper-faced metal beads, you'll notice some important details. USG's distinctive green nose coating resists scuffing or fuzzing from taping knives and sanding. The pin perforations on the paper allow for excellent adhesion to the corner. USG offers a wide range of paper-faced metal beads for a wide range of corner applications. Here are some examples. Our B1 Super Wide 90-degree outside corner is one of our most popular corner bead profiles. We offer a wide variety of bullnose corners that provide a simple way to differentiate any home. This B2 corner has a single 90-degree solid metal corner for sharp, straight inside corners. The B2 Flex uses 2 strips of metal to adjust to any inside angle. This B1 beaded flex has 2 strips of 7/8 inch wide metal and rope in the center to give you a flexible outside offset corner. You've seen how easy it is to install a paper-faced bead, but what really counts is long-term performance. I know when I install sheetrock paper-faced metal corner bead, that corner will never crack. That reduces warranty costs and keeps home buyers happy. In fact, USG paper-faced metal corner bead performs so well, USG offers a lifetime, no-edge crack warranty. You can learn a lot more about sheetrock paper-faced metal corner beads by visiting the USG website.